Then I was on the Ed Sullivan Show, and I did this song here. Excuse me, hold on. This is my message song for the night. You ain't nothing but... You don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Just wait a minute. You ain't never been... You ain't nothing but a... You ain't nothing but a hound dog.